A long time ago, in the forest of Happy Land, birds and trees could talk to each other. There was a bird family with 3 children, blue, pink, and yellow. They all lived on a big wise tree called Makongo. Mama Birdie's voice was beautiful. She would wake up early to sing her song. But drought set in on the land. Rivers dried up and leaves fell off. Makongo thought long and hard. Maybe we should get the magic worm that brings rain. But who can go? I'll go. I'm not afraid, Mama Birdie said. Everyone missed Mama Birdie and her song. Would she ever find her way back home? What if we sing Mama's song? Aloud asked. Mama said if we sing her song, she will find her way back. But I don't know how to sing, cried Pink. Have you tried singing? Makongo asked. I've tried singing, said Yellow. I can teach you. Early the next morning, Yellow sang Mama's song and rain started falling. It's a beautiful morning. We wake up and shine. Eventually, all the birds joined Yellow in song. Mama Birdie found her way back to Happy Land, and from then on, birds sang at dawn. The end.